sea of people here at the arena. Dito po sa San Juan, nahanap na po natin ang ating face of the day. Medyo controversial ito eh. Lynn Pascua, 26 years old from Quezon City. She gets a pizza and hopefully she will share it with somebody by the name of Barry Pascua, who's also from Quezon City.
Dahil lang kapangalan?
Hindi, malay ba natin? Alam mo, hindi pang karaniwang apelido yung Pascua eh. Ilan lang yan. Pero parang feeling ko, it's a setup eh. Parang kailangan, gusto ni Barry kumain, kinuha yung pamangkin. Ginawa face of the day.
Ginawa mo pa ng storya?
Oo, tapos kailangan,
Ay, nako.
Sila may pizza, tayo wala.
Alam mo, Noel, dahil
Nagagalit
dyan,
yan, Remulla.
ang Arellano ay may 4 attack points na
Yan.
so far. At atong NU naman having 5. Pero ang iba dito sa NU, actually 7 attack points sila. 5 ang service points na ng NU.
Kanina pa yan, even in the first set, it was 6-0 in service.
Napakarami.
O, nais lang natin batiin yung mga nagtitweet sa atin. Galing Denmark naman, ito si Eli Barela. Watching us on live streaming sa Denmark. Anong oras na dun?
Uy, thank you naman. Thank you naman po.
Sana dun tayo malamig dun, di ba?
Iyan ka na. Kunin
Here's
nyo na to.
Balser.
King Balser from the middle. Takes that one. Ito yung kanina pa natin dun sa umpisa ng laro, ang sinasabi nga natin, kailangan talaga, pag nasa harapan itong si King Balse at itong si Nene Bautista, kailangan kunan ng points.
Sentro-sentro pwesto rin nila, di ba?
Oo eh.
Oh. Wow, Henson with the wind-up.
So kaya lang ang nangyayari, kita mo, hindi masyadong nasiset up.
Right. Oh, look at the Leon setting up Dindin, but Dindin is blocked there by King Balse, and a great read there.
Yun ang katulad doon, in that last 2 plays, di ba? Kay Henson na ibigay yung bola.
Right.
Hindi masyadong na-set up si King.
Oh, seryo, talagang hinayaan. That looked very close to the line. But it was a good decision. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And it's gotta be Dindin Santiago saying, ayaw ko doon sa kabila, dito ko na lang gagawin. Lumipat talaga eh.
Yun ang ability ng isang sigurong matangkad na player.
Right.
Yung direction ng bola mo, mas magiging madali kasi. Dahil sa haba mo.
Kaya si Henson, mahaba-haba rin yun. Here's Seaman Dadang. Picar. Balse. Ay, nako.
That was well read. Dindin Santiago was just waiting for that middle hit.
Abang na abang talaga. Eto si Dindin and the Lady Chiefs are gonna call a timeout. Let's listen in.
Sana si Dindin si ano na dito dito mo pa pala yung MJ sa likod. Hindi ang kasama dito. Goal muna tayo, Lex. Nasa ka, Lex. Nandito ka. Jonah, saka Lex. Punta ka dito, Lex. Tapos pinagbibitawan mo yung bola. Lalapitan mo si Jonah.
Head coach for the Lady Chiefs is actually Roberto Aguiar, and Richard Estacios is assistant coach, and Valente Caico is the team manager. So 7-point lead ngayon para sa Lady Bulldogs. They also have a 1-0 lead. Noel Zarate alongside Mosi Raverna and Andre Mulla, and that is a very, very sharp serve from the veteran Ruby De Leon.
Si Ruby rin has that serve, yung siya nga nag-popularize yan dito sa
Malapit na mag-fault.
yung lang, short stab. Yung medyo malakas lang that time eh. Yung ginagawa ni Jem Ferrer.
Right.
Ganyan yan. Yung short stab, yung gusto niya doon sa front line na bumagsak.
Ayan, Picar, Dana Henson. Oh, nice tap in there. Coming from King Balse. Nagkapagkahan pa si Dadang at saka si Dindin. So 20-13. Balik sa 7 kalamangan ng NU Lady Bulldogs. Diane Picar. Again, this very, very wicked serve. Ano naman, no?
At yung consistency naroon eh.
Right. Here's Henson, pero nakabang naman doon si Dindin, and Ibiza can't get there.
That's right, pero napakalakas talagang pumalin ni Henson. Diyan mo makikita na it's also yung spiking technique rin siya eh.
We're talking about the history of the Shakey's Feeling. Naalala mo University of St. Lasal in Baconos? Yung Aplaska Sisters ko, mas lalo na yung kay Aplaska. Kung pumalo yun, She's barely 100 pounds, pero pag pumalo naman yon, ang lakas din. Tikar sending it across. Here's De Leon. That's too low for Dindin, and that swerte na lang. Si Tikar naipit sa net.
Double violation called against Arellano that time. Well, Ging Balse now 6 attack points. Si Dindin Santiago naman sa blocking in, 2 na.
Right. Now Dindin. Ibiza. Tikar. Balse. Balse now setting up for Dana Henson. Ibiza on the coverage. Bautista. And a push from Ging. De Leon across. Dadang. That never crossed. 4 touches here against the NU Lady Bulldogs. And itong kupunan ng Arellano is just trying to make it competitive at this point. Down by 8.
Ano pa to magbe-blend pa. Mag-gel pa tong Arellano. Mukha, nakikita lang natin ngayon, kulang pa, lalo na sa defense.
Dadang. Nice dig there from Bautista. Balse. De Leon, quick set. Intended for Jaja. Pero hindi nagkaintindihan doon ng NU.
Yan din yung kailangan nilang i-develop, yung connection na yan. Pero kanina nga, mas gusto pa yata ni Jaja ng one-handed set.
Perfect naman yung setup kanina ni Ruby.
Gusto ng konting extreme volleyball.
Oo. Here's Ruby. At ngayon, pababa na si Jaja, and Jaja cannot score. So kanina, ang ganda na ng connection nitong dalawang ito. And now, it's choppy. Time out for NU.
Pabulo na naman pala natin. Stansya ka sa net para mag-smith niya. Kita-kita mo pag dumaan.
So as the action continues here, 22-16, the noise that you're hearing is from my phone. Yes, because everybody's trying to tweet na naman. Naman nag-tweet sa'yo? Marami ka
Basa
na
ka naman ng basa.
Basa ka lang ng basa. Ba't yung phone mo hindi tumutunog?
May technique ako.
Ganon, ha? Good service there from Ging Balse. Sana nakakalobat pala pag dumadami na sila. Ito na, Shakey's Billig season at may dala na akong extra na baterya. 22-17. Balse trying to keep the Lady Chiefs in it. What a serve! And nice block there from Henson.
Ordas turned away.
So Henson and Salamagos teaming up that time. Henson lang talaga eh. Ganun kalakas.
Lakas eh.
22-18.
Ganda naman ang serve na yun ni Ging Balse.
Now, Ging Balse sometimes makes decisions to take over from the service line, ha? Tignan natin if this trend will continue now.
Tsaka may direction eh. Alam niya kung kanino niya gusto. Yan ang importante. Kids will have to learn that.
Right.
Yung hindi lang basta ipasok ang serve. Yung may direction. Alam mo kung kanino mo papupuntahin.
That's 5 straight points on her serve. And then, sending it across. Reyes. De Leon. There's the push by Ordaz. Almost crossed over. Dana Henson. Ordaz. Dadang. Henson. Long rally. Oy! Nakialam bigla doon. Itong si Jaja might have been overreaching, but Jaja's just too tall. Salamagos, nagulat. Ba't wala na doon yung bola sa harapan niya? 23-19. Finally, the service of Ging Balse is broken. Dadang. Back set now by Tikar, but there's another denial on the attack by Osorio. That's Jaja Santiago again. So the captain for the Lady Chiefs not getting it done. Now they're down by 5 points. At itong NU, nasa set point na.
Set point.
Tikar. Backline attack there coming from Bautista. And that'll do it for the second set. Myla Pablo puts it away. So NU, it's so far so good for them. 25-19 against the Arellano University Lady Chiefs. As you take a look at our shaky shake and play. Myla Pablo going airborne. And we will have the third set sa aming pong pagbabalik.